Factors. Bache, factors is the term used by Mendel, okay, for the genes. Okay, so factors are representing the genes. Okay, so alleles, bache, two of the genes are there, one from mother and one from father, and each of them are called as alleles. Okay, so hygozygous means something when it is pure. Pure means something like tall and tall. Okay, small t is donating dwarfness. Okay, so this is pure dwarf, this is pure tall. Heterozygous, when they are together like this, dominant and one recessive, they are together, this is the heterozygous condition. Okay, so dominant means which is very powerful and it will show its character in the presence of another recessive genes, and recessive trait are those which will not show its character in the presence of dominant genes. Genotype means what is the actually alleles of the genes, that is its genotype. Phenotype, how it is being seen. Okay, so that is it's called that phenotype, like whether the plant is tall, it is dwarf. Okay, so it is having white flower, purple flower, so that is what, that is phenotype, how it looks, appears. Now let us talk about monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. But mono means single. When one character is taken and then we have done the cross, that is called as monohybrid cross. Di means two. When we have taken the two characters and if we have done the cross, that is called as a dihybrid cross. Further, the explanation of the cross, both monohybrid and dihybrid, it's very very important, and you will do the explanation in further. Okay, so bache, when you will cross the parents, the first generation is called as F1 generation or first filial generation. And when this first filial generation will reproduce or will be breeding among them, then it will form the second filial generation or F2 generation. Okay, haploid when single set of chromosomes are there, diploid when two set of chromosomes are present. Okay, so homologous chromosomes, these are those chromosomes which are exactly similar. Okay, exactly similar in their shape, size, structure, this is called as homologous. Homo means same. Okay, so now let us talk about the most important one, the laws given by Mendel. Okay, so let's talk about the first law given by Mendel, that was the law of segregation, or it is commonly known as Mendel's first law. Okay, so bachi, the first law of segregation, or the law of segregation of first law of inheritance. So here you will read, see, you have to learn this definition. So according to this law, it states that the two factors or gene controlling one character separates or segregates without blending. Means the two characters, for example, these are two characters, one capital tall and capital tall.